is mangoes. And number 8 is this cranberry. I love this color as well. It's really, really pigmented. Every single colors from Glitz gel polish is so pigment. It's really opaque. So you can get one full coverage in one like coat. So we did 2 coat of a number 19 and clear for 60 seconds already. So now we're gonna using in the other end, and then we are going to pick up aqua just a little bit. And you can dab it wherever you want. It doesn't have to be is perfect in one spot. You can just blend in a different area. All right. And then you can do it, make it darker, or you can make it like lighter. You absolutely, you know, like can control however you would like to look. And I'm gonna pick the number 4s is mango, and then as again you can tap it wherever you want and you can blend them together. I love about this, it's so easy, and you can create this right with the Glitz gel polish. Absolutely, you can do with gel painting as well, and gel polish is absolutely, you can see that how pigmented it is. And I'm picking, moving on to numbers is 11's number 8 cranberry. It just grab right in. So 2 coat of number 19 in here. Don't put any top coat on. That's how you are going to get this. And you can go back and then dab different colors of in the chart you want. You can do it more than just 3 colors. I just do 3 colors to share with you, but you can do like, I'm picking the aqua, you can do 5 color, 4 colors, however you want. Okay, and you can blend them all together. Happy with this? We are going to just like flash, like just flash key it for like 30 seconds. All right, so 30 seconds it is. So beautiful. This is like give you enough to do is all 10 nails or when you're doing your clients. So let's take a look. This beauty is already done. It's so simple, it's so cute. Perfect for like back to school. Nice, soft, and then I'm gonna show you something is so adorable. Is it all cute on the $5 nail art? You can definitely rock with the $5 nail art. It was really unique in a lot of stunning, it's charmed and then crystal placement. So I have a super adorable, and it's really like a 3D, but it's really a 3D, but then flat in the back. It's not pointed, but it's really nice on the edges. It's really nice and soft. It's not like sharp at all. So I'm gonna using this with the remember the polish stone that we did it yesterday? It's so adorable. There's like 10 colors, I believe. I really want to do the bubble too, so I'm taking that bubbles and it's matching with my colors. There's like 5 of them at the moment right now, so I'm gonna get this one. So you look at that, it looks like it's glow in the dark, but it's not. It's like a bubbles on the top, like it's make it looks like a globes. So we're done with this one, and let's move this one on the side for just a second. For just now, I'm gonna take another polish stone, and I'm gonna do is bright yellow. Bright yellows for the weaver gels. And if you wonder how I create this like a little simple DIY too, I had it in a video yesterday, so check them out. So I get 5 like line at the same time, and I'm gonna pick Glitz velvet not weaver gels, and it's really easy and stringy. You can definitely add it on. Really light looks, so you can do whole nails as you wish. Let's give you a little bit of fun design. Okay. And you can do any colors. The Glitz has so many colors, like 16 colors for Velvetty Gel total. So flash gear 4 is 30 seconds. All right. I want to open some of this like gloves crystal because we want to do some beautiful nails. They're all under $5 nail art, so it's really fun to get some fun nail art. And I'm gonna do the butterflies here, okay? And remember, I am going to do crystal trifecta using the 3-step method, so keep all my crystals stay in one place. And start with the condensed glue gels, really thick density. So if you have a troubleshooting with the crystal placement, and if not staying on for you, this is going to be definitely going to be your bestie. So I am gonna pick the smaller amount. It's really thick density, so you need this just little. However, let me create just a little bit right here first, because I am gonna do the butterflies and I am going to place the polished stone here, okay? Just a little bit. And don't forget to add your no wipe top coat. Right on. I'll pick one polished stone. I'm so obsessed with this, looks so beautiful. And then that is a pink, and I do this polished stone. It like have a AB. Look. You see that it's not moving anyway. And then I'm gonna pick I really like debating between the butterflies yellows and green. Hot pink. Maybe hot pink. There you go. You can adjust them. We are going to flash key it first, okay? And then we're gonna go back with the more crystal. Flash key for about 10 seconds. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Catches hands, just DM us on the when you have a moments. We can definitely gonna assist you with like a basic set of anything you want, so we can guide you to the basic set so you won't be overwhelmed, because sometimes I'm getting overwhelming too, and then it's so happy to hear that you are getting overwhelming too. So do not worry, just DM us, we'll be help you and assist you. All right, so now here 30 seconds, I am going to add more condensed glue gels on, okay? And because we're gonna dress it up just a little bit more, or if you like it like this, just stop right here You want to add some more? Absolutely. I'm going to add some right there. Okay, thin coat. Not too thick, not too thin. And we're going to apply the no wipe top coat on the top. Thank you so much, Instagram viewer, Facebook viewer, YouTube viewer, and TikTok viewers, Twitch as well. We're streaming on the 4 platform right now, and thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I do. Absolutely stunning. I am in love with this. So this is really cool though. If you see on the side, the crystal, it's like a, hold on, it's like a globes. I loving it. And then you can add some crystal on, you can add some beads on. I'm staying at this all the time. I wanted to create it for you. All right. Oh my gosh, it's so goes so perfect with the polished stone. And I'm gonna add beads on. So now if you already finished with your 3D, like a flat back 3D, you can add some crystals on. Okay. And again, I'm going to add like the bigger side. I'm loving it. This is so perfect for this design. Look at that. You can see this better. This is how cool it is. And it's so nice. And it is like not sharp at all. Ah, thank you, Mika. God, it's so stunning. And the weaver gels underneath, it's really like draw that. So I'm gonna add some beads on. Oh my God, I'm really in love with the nails today. The background is perfect, and the nails is perfect as well. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of frame on here. And more bars. You know, let your creativity soar. You don't have to settle with just like really simple nails. Well, if you want to, but you can still do your really cute nail, short nail, you can still really having fun with. All right. I think I'm really happy with this. You can add more as you wish. I'm adding more. Good. Happy with this. We are going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds.